This is the BBC.
This podcast is supported by advertising outside the UK.
There's never been a faster or easier way to start your weight loss journey than with PlushCare. PlushCare accepts most insurance plans and gives you online access to board-certified physicians who can prescribe FDA-approved weight loss medications like Wegovy and Zepbound for those who qualify. Take charge of your health and speak with a board-certified physician about a weight loss plan that's right for you. Get started today at plushcare.com/weight loss. That's plushcare.com/weight loss. plushcare.com/weight loss.
Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds. Recently, I asked Mint Mobile's legal team if big wireless companies are allowed to raise prices due to inflation. They said yes. And then when I asked if raising prices technically violates those onerous two-year contracts, they said, "What the f*** are you talking about, you insane Hollywood ass?" So to recap, we're cutting the price of Mint Unlimited from $30 a month to just $15 a month. Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 up front for 3 months plus taxes and fees. Promo rate for new customers for limited time. Unlimited more than 40 gigabytes per month. Slows full terms at mintmobile.com.
You're listening
to bbclearningenglish.com.
Material is something physical that things can be made from. For example, wood, plastic, or bricks. What material is your water bottle made from? Is it plastic? To build a house, you'll need to buy materials like stone and bricks. Similarly, material is another word for cloth. Clothes and other products are made from material. Your scarf is so soft. What material is it? Towels are made from absorbent material because they need to absorb water. Also, as a noun, material can be information that's used for writing, often for promotional purposes. Your family drama would make really good material for a book. I'm collecting material for a food documentary. Can I interview you? Finally, as an adjective, material can relate to possessions like objects and money. We often hear it used with the noun world. We live in a material world. Lots of people want the best and latest products.
BBC Learning English.
Gail Katz told friends she was leaving her husband, Bob, then went missing. On season 1 of The Girlfriends, Bob's ex-girlfriends came together to bring him down and seek justice.
I can't believe this.
Now on season 2, host Carol Fisher is back, working to solve the mystery of another missing woman.
It's almost like it's become this moral obligation to find her.
Listen to The Girlfriends, Our Lost Sister on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Open your free iHeart app and search The Girlfriends, Our Lost Sister and start listening.